So psychostimulants, one of their most notable and sort of immediately apparent effects is increased locomotor activity or locomotion. People move more, and animals move more when they're exposed to psychostimulants. So this is from a typical experiment using animals that would examine locomotor activity. They'll have a box that animals like a rat is placed in, and they'll have these beams of light that go across, and every time the animal moves across a beam, that's recorded as movement into this location or that location, etc. So this shows you the number of beam crossings. This is how much locomotor activity is occurring. And if you give them saline, there's a certain level of activity. If you give them cocaine, there's a significant increase. So psychostimulants like cocaine or amphetamine, methamphetamine, increase locomotion. They produce behavioral activation. Remember, there's this behavioral excitement. Increase locomotor activity in rats, mice, monkeys, people. At higher doses, they produce what we refer to as stereotyped behaviors or stereotypies. In rats, for example, this would involve intense sniffing sort of behavior you see, and head and limb movements that are very repetitive and stereotyped, licking and biting. In humans and people, actually people tend to repetitively pick at their skin or their face. This can also lead to further damage to the skin and the face and the extremities. And also scratching. They tend to do scratching. So there are these increased kind of stereotypical behaviors that result with chronic or high levels of psychostimulant use.